All right, so we're gonna do some red beans and rice. We have all of our fixings that we'll need. We're gonna make our holy trinity. We got our andouille sausage, and then my secret ingredient, some crawfish tails. You only need 1 pack of that. Also, I have the beans already soaking. It's been about, I would say about 8 hours I've had them soaking, so should be a quick cook. Stove is heating up. I do want to cut some of this andouille. Right now. And then, you know, cut the other one off camera. Bell peppers, but here's our garlic. Now we're gonna bring in our holy trinity. Just want to cook that down. All right, so I'm gonna remove the holy trinity. The reason I like to do it, usually people would cook the sausage first, but I like to do that first because look at all this seasoning that you get from the garlic powder, the smoked paprika, all that from the garlic, all that. And I want the sausage to be incorporated with that as much as I can. So we're gonna add in our andouille. I like a lot of andouille in there. We're gonna deglaze that pan real quick. Kind of get all those fixings. All that. All that. Our beans. Now, like I said, these have been soaked. Can I do some more? Should I do some more? So this is it right here. This is literally like just chicken bouillon and water. For an hour, we're gonna add in our sausage. And then we're gonna add in our crawfish tails. And then we're gonna get that all in there. Yeah, go ahead and get all up in there. Get all up in there. Go and bathe together. Get to know each other. You're gonna taste real. Had to upgrade the pot, but here we go. After 2 hours, we're officially done. Let's plate it. Red beans and rice. So we're gonna hit it with a cup of rice. Don't have to fuck that up. All right. Pour this shit out. Top it with a roux. There we have it. Some red beans and rice. This is the red beans and rice. Absolute delish.